After a breakup, every man goes through these 6 stages. But stage 2 destroys most men. Every man thinks he'll handle a breakup differently until it happens to him. One phone call, one cold text, one sentence. I think we should end this. And just like that, the future you pictured together disappears. Here's what nobody tells men. A breakup doesn't just end a relationship, it attacks your identity. It makes you question your value, your judgment, your confidence, and sometimes even your purpose. The mistake isn't that you loved her. The mistake is what many men do after she leaves. Today we're going to walk through the 6 stages many men experience after a breakup. If you're in one of these stages right now, pay close attention, because understanding where you are could stop you from making a decision you'll regret for years. Let's get into it. Stage 1. The shock. The first stage doesn't feel like heartbreak. It feels like disbelief. Even if you saw the warning signs, even if the arguments became more frequent, even if deep down you knew something was wrong, the moment it's actually over still feels unreal. You wake up expecting to see her message. You instinctively reach for your phone. Your mind keeps replaying the last conversation, searching for one sentence you could have said differently. Nothing feels normal. Your appetite disappears. Sleep becomes difficult. Your concentration falls apart. You're alive, but mentally you're somewhere else. This stage isn't about being weak. It's your brain struggling to accept that the reality you've lived for months or years has suddenly changed. And because you're emotionally overwhelmed, this is the worst possible time to make life-changing decisions. Which brings us to the stage where many men destroy what little dignity they still have. Stage 2, the denial, where many men make their biggest mistake. This is the dangerous stage, because your heart refuses to accept what your ears just heard. Instead of accepting the breakup, you convince yourself that if you say the perfect words, if you explain yourself one more time, if you apologize enough, if you promise to change, she'll suddenly remember why she loved you. So the messages begin. Long paragraphs, late-night phone calls, voice notes, flowers, letters. Random excuses to accidentally see her. Some men even humiliate themselves by asking, "What did I do wrong? Please give me another chance. I'll become whoever you want me to be." But here's a hard truth every man needs to hear. You cannot negotiate genuine attraction. You cannot convince someone to value you by proving how desperately you need them. The more you chase someone who's walking away, the easier you make it for them to keep walking. Does that mean every relationship should end forever? No. But when someone has clearly decided to leave, chasing usually costs you something far more valuable than the relationship: your self-respect. Sometimes the strongest move isn't sending another message. It's saying nothing and walking away with your dignity intact. Stage 3. The anger. Eventually, the begging stops and the anger arrives. Now you're furious. At her, at yourself, at the guy she may have moved on with, at the years you invested, at the lies, at the promises. You replay every memory looking for proof that she wasted your time. This stage feels powerful, but it's incredibly dangerous. Because angry men often confuse revenge with healing. They send insulting messages, they expose private conversations, they stalk social media, they drink too much, they pick fights, they make decisions they'll regret long after the anger fades. Anger isn't the enemy. Staying there is. If this video is helping you see your own journey more clearly, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment telling me which stage you've experienced or which lesson hit you the hardest. Your comment could help another man realize he's not fighting this battle alone. Now, let's continue.
Stage 4, the depression. This is the stage almost nobody wants to talk about, because this is where the noise disappears. No more begging, no more anger, just silence, an empty apartment, an empty bed, an empty routine. You stop calling friends. You stop enjoying your hobbies. The gym feels pointless. Food loses its taste. Music hits differently. Even simple tasks require effort. This is where many men believe they'll never love again, that they'll never recover, that this pain will last forever. But here's what experience teaches. You cannot heal from pain you refuse to feel. Trying to distract yourself with another woman, alcohol, casual hookups, or constant partying may numb the pain temporarily, but unhealed pain always waits for you when the distraction ends. Feel it, learn from it, grow through it, then leave it behind, because the next stage changes everything. Stage 5, the rebuilding. One morning, you wake up, and something feels different. The pain is still there, but it no longer controls your entire day. You decide to clean your apartment. You return to the gym. You start eating better. You reconnect with old friends. You focus on making more money. You read, you learn, you improve your discipline. You rediscover the man you neglected while trying to save a relationship that was already falling apart. Notice something important. Real rebuilding isn't about making her jealous. It's about becoming a man whose happiness no longer depends on whether one person chooses him. You stop chasing validation. You start earning self-respect. And that's a completely different life. Acceptance. This is where peace finally arrives. Not because you forgot her, not because the memories disappeared, but because you've stopped fighting reality. You no longer wonder whether she'll text you. You no longer check her profile. You no longer imagine getting back together every night before you sleep. You simply accept that chapter is over. And strangely, that's when your real freedom begins. You realize the breakup wasn't just something you survived, it became something that transformed you. The woman who left wasn't the end of your story. She was simply one chapter. The strongest men aren't the ones who never experience heartbreak. They're the ones who refuse to let heartbreak become their identity. Remember this: a breakup can either destroy a man or introduce him to the version of himself he was always meant to become. The choice isn't made the day she leaves. The choice is made by what you do after she's gone.